Hi everyone, tonight for supper I'll be making air fryer pizza dogs. What all goes into the air fryer pizza dogs? 4 hot dogs, 3 ounces of pepperoni slices, 4 hot dog buns, 1/2 cup pizza sauce, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 2 slices of bacon cooked and chopped. I'm going to just use the microwavable. So let's begin. Take your air fryer. We want preheat and we want turn. We're just going to shake it up. We're going to do 4 minutes at 380. We'll hit start. It's going to preheat. It'll let us know when to add the food. You want to put your liner in, put in your 4 hot dogs. The recipe actually said 5 minutes, so I'm going to add another minute to it. So while the hot dogs are cooking, and unfortunately I dropped something and broke it, so I'm kind of running behind in my stuff here. Put on your pizza sauce on both sides. So take your pepperoni and put it down the middle of each bun. And then put your cooked dog on top of the pepperoni, a little bit hot. And then put some mozzarella cheese on top of each dog. And then put some bacon on each. Then put a couple more pepperonis on top of the cheese. Now the recipe didn't call to add more cheese after you add the pepperonis, but I've learned from past experience pepperonis like to fly around. So I'm going to add just a little bit more cheese. Then put your hot dogs in your air fryer. And I'm going to kind of squish them together. We don't want preheat, we don't want turn, we want 4 minutes. At 380 and start. Here is the air fryer pizza dog. Rounding out the meal is French fries. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Looks like a pizza dog.
It is a pizza dog. It's an air fryer pizza dog.
Okay. Yes.
Pepperoni gave it away.
Yeah. That actually makes it an interesting combination. I don't think I would have ever made one, but that's pretty good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.